Today we're going to talk about some spring cleaning things to think about in terms of body awareness and strengthening for getting into picking stuff up off the ground, sweeping, anything like that. And here are a couple exercises for you to try to help prevent some injuries while you're spring cleaning. The first one's going to be a half kneel squat to pick up on your knee. So you're going to half kneel next to whatever you're trying to pick up. If that's a box, anything like that, you're going to pick it up, place it on your knee here, and then keeping that thing as close to your torso as you can when you go to stand up will help prevent low back injuries. All right, and then the second exercise today is going to be a foam roll RDL to help you kind of work on protecting your low back by keeping your core engaged. So how you're going to do that, you're going to take a foam roll, put it right about at your belt line, and then your hands are going to be as wide as they can be on the foam roll. And then what you want to do is you're going to take your hips away from the foam roll, keeping your low back flat. As you start to feel a stretch in your hamstring, go ahead and stand back up tall, bringing your hips back towards the foam roll. You'll do that about 10 times, trying to keep your core activated during the whole time. All right, and those are the couple exercises we can try. If you need any other tips and tricks to help you with your spring cleaning, feel free to come see us here at Vita.